What are you going to post about on LinkedIn this week? Hey, I'm Sarah Clay. I'm a LinkedIn coach and I help entrepreneurs and businesses scale up on LinkedIn to get more clients. Every Monday, I give you an idea for something that you can post about on your LinkedIn feed. I like to help you make it easier and keep you consistently active on the platform. So this week is not necessarily the easiest kind of post. This week, I'd like you to be a little bit salesy. Now, when I say salesy, I don't mean running around LinkedIn going, buy my stuff, buy my stuff, buy my stuff. No, that is not how we work on LinkedIn. But I would like you to talk about what it is that you do. Telling people what you do isn't being salesy, it's just raising awareness of how you operate. But what I would like you to do is direct people to a sales page or a product page or somewhere that they can find out more about how they can work with you. So that's what I would love you to do this week. It doesn't have to be in a salesy, icky way, but it can just be information to your audience. So I'd love you to do that. And then when you've done it, can you please tag me in? Because I would love to know a little bit more about what it is that you do. Hey, I'm Sarah Clay. Any other information, any tips you need about LinkedIn, please follow me below. And if you're on LinkedIn watching this, please follow my hashtag LinkedIn Simplified or ring my bell. Or if you want to chat about how I can help you with your LinkedIn, please get in touch. Catch you later.